Hi everyone, this is another video and today we're gonna cover technology. So what's technology is in game design? So technology is about two things actually. It's about the platform and the production tools. Production, okay. And every one of them has two things, has limits and potential. Bro, it's so bad. The technology, let's say that the game you're gonna make is PC game, okay? So the PC game have some limits and have some potential also as a platform, as the PC itself, from the processor, from the graphic cards, from the RAM and everything, and the production tools, which is what the team can and cannot do, okay? As developers, as artists. And so, for example, here, if you're gonna talk the technology and the aesthetics, and let's say that aesthetics are all of it like high quality 3D, like with a lot of lights and a lot of rendering and and your technology, your platform is, for example, is mobile. You ask yourself, like, this platform with this production would be like a good fit for this kind of aesthetics? Of course no, because like most of the mobile games like need optimization. Mobiles are not as powerful as the PCs. So we ask the question, what's the best technology you can use to fit this aesthetics? And the same for stories. See the story and you ask yourself, with this kind of story and with this story like have like some specific aesthetics, what kind of technology would be fit for it? And the same for mechanics. Actually, if you think about it, the technology and mechanics, in technology, you have the mechanic impact, you have the optimization, you have like so many things to do. The mechanics, like all the things that you can do in the game. So is this technology and this platform and this production would be like a good fit for this kind of mechanics, okay? So, and it's all related in the purpose, serving these experience you want to the player as a game designer. So choosing the technology is so important because it's like the first floor you're gonna work with. If your technology doesn't fit your story, doesn't fit your aesthetics, doesn't fit your mechanics, then your game would have like so many bugs and like everything, and the player won't have like the smooth experience you want to give them. That's it. That's for the technology. I hope you guys enjoyed and understand the point. And if you have any question, just tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.